Welcome to the Honda Marine video Lubrication Points. In this video, you'll learn how to lubricate the serviceable points on a Honda Marine outboard to keep it running well for many years to come. Maintenance on any outboard motor can expose you to various potential safety hazards. Always consult your owner's manual when performing any of the steps shown in this video. When lubricating a Honda Marine outboard, it's recommended to use genuine Honda grease, oils, and corrosion inhibitor or the equivalents. Honda Marine outboards are equipped with Zerk-style grease fittings at various locations. These fittings are compatible with most commercially available grease guns and make applying grease much easier. To locate each of the grease fittings, refer to your specific model's owner's manual. Some points that require grease do not have a Zerk-style fitting. For these points, wearing a pair of gloves is recommended to protect your hands and stay clean. Wipe up any excess grease with a rag. It's a good practice to periodically remove the propeller to lubricate the prop shaft. While doing this, it's also a good time to inspect the prop shaft for fishing line, which can cause damage to the gear case or its oil seals. To do this with the engine off, remove the cotter pin, loosen and remove the castle nut and washer. Remove the propeller and thrust washer and set them aside. Apply grease to the propeller shaft splines as shown. Reinstall the thrust washer. Reinstall the propeller, washer, and castle nut. Torque to spec. Always replace the cotter pin with a new one. For any additional information regarding the maintenance of your Honda Marine outboard, always refer to your owner's manual or visit an authorized Honda Marine dealer.